Hello students, today I will be starting with question number 5 of exercise 2.6. In this question we have find 2.5 multiplied by 0.3. Here we have two decimal number and we will have to multiply these decimal numbers. So at first we will ignore the point. If you ignore the point here, then we will have 25, and if you ignore the point here, then we will have 3. So if you multiply this, 3 5s are 15, 5 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So we have 75. Now we will have to put the point here. Now here see after point 1 digit, here after point 1 digit. So that means after point will be 2 digit because here is 1 and here is 1. So after decimal will be 2 digit. So it will be 0.75. Okay. Now in the next part we have 0.1 multiplied by 51.7. Now, so if you remove the point here, then it will become 517, and if you remove the point here, then it will become 1, and 517 multiplied by 1 is the number itself. When you multiply by 1, then we get the number itself. So it will be 517. So 517. Now we will have to put the decimal here. Here see after point 1 digit, and here after point 2 digit. So that means after decimal will be 2 digits. So if we come from this side, so we will have to skip 2 digits and then we will have to put the decimal, because after point 1, here after point 1. So we will have to put the decimal after 2 digit, 1 and 2. Okay. Now in the third part we have 0.2 multiplied by 316.8. Now if you remove the point here, so it will become 3168. Okay, and if you remove the point here, then it will become 2. And if you multiply this, then we'll get 8 2s are 16, 6 1 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, and 3 2s are 6. So we have 6 3 3 6. Now see here after decimal 1 digit and here after decimal 2 digits. So after decimal will be here after decimal 1, here after decimal 1. So after here in the answer we will have to put the decimal in such a way that after decimal will be 2 digits. So if you come from right side, then 1 2 will leave 2 digit and then we will have to put the decimal. So answer of the third part will be 63.36. Fourth part we have 1.3 multiplied by 3.1. Now if you remove the point in 3.1, then it will become 31, and if you remove point here, then we will get 13. 1.3 will become 13. Now if you multiply this, 13 1s are 13, 3 1 carry, 13 3s are 39, 39 plus 1 is 40. So we have 403. Now here after decimal 1 digit and here after decimal 1 digit. So in the answer we will have to put after decimal 2 digits. So 1 2. So here will be the point. So answer of the fourth part will be 4.03. Okay. Now in the fifth part we have 0.5 multiplied by 0.05. So if you remove the point in 0.05, then we will get 5 only. And if you remove the point here, then you will get 5. Means 0.5 will become 5 and 0.05 also will become 5. And if you multiply this, then we'll get 5 5s are 25. Now, so here we have 25. Now we will have to put the decimal. So here after decimal 1 digit and here after decimal 1 2. So here 2, here 1. So in the answer we will have to put the decimal in such a way that after decimal it will be 3 digit, as here we have got 1 and here we have got 2. So 2 plus 1 3. Now see we are coming from this side. So 1 2, third place is not there. So we will have to make the places by putting 0. So here will be the decimal. So answer will be 0.025. Okay. Now in the sixth part we have 11.2 multiplied by 0.15. So 11.2 will become 112 if you remove the point, and if you just ignore the point, and here 0.15 will be 15. Okay, now if you multiply this, 15 2s are 30, 0 3 carry, 15 1s are 15, 15 plus 3 16, 17 18, 8 1 carry, 15 1s are 15, 15 plus 1 16. So we have 1680. Now see here after decimal 1 digit and here after decimal 1 2 digits. So 2 plus 1 3. So that means in the answer you will have to put the decimal in such a way that after decimal will be 3 digit. So 1 2 3 here will be point. So answer of the sixth part will be 1.680. Okay. Now in the seventh part we have 1.07 multiplied by 0.02. Now if you remove the point, if you ignore the point in 1.07, then it will become 107, and if you ignore the point here in the number 0.02 will become 0.02 will become 2. So 2 sevens are 14, 4 1 carry, 2 ones are 2, so we have 214. Now see here after decimal 2 digit and here also after decimal 2 digit. That means we will have to put the decimal in such a way that after decimal will be 4 digits. So 1, 2, because 2 plus 2 is 4. So 1, 2, 3, fourth place you will have to make 0. You will have to put 0 by, after putting 0 you will get 4 places and then you will have to put the decimal. So answer of the seventh part will be 0.0214. Okay. So if there is like when you will have to put the decimal, you will check if the number of places are not there, then you will have to, like here 2 plus 2 4 places you will have to make, and here we have 3 digits. So you will have to make one more places by putting 0 and then you will have to put the decimal accordingly. Okay. Now in the eighth part we have 10.05. So it will become 1005 if you remove the point and multiplied by 1.05. So 1.05 will become 105. Okay. Now if you multiply this, we'll have 5 5s are 25, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. 0 if you multiply, then we'll get 0, and then 1005 will be multiplied by 1, so it will be 5001. So 5 2 5 5 0 1. So answer will be 105525. Now here after decimal 2 digit and here also after decimal 2 digits. So here will be 4 digits. So 1 2 3 4. Answer point will be here. So answer of the eighth part will be 10.5525. Okay. Now next. Now in the ninth part we have 101.01 multiplied by 0.01. Now here if you remove the point in, if you just ignore the point in the first one, then we will have 101.01. So 10101. Okay, and if you remove the point here, means 0.01 will become 1. Now if you multiply by 1, we get the same number, that means 10101. If you multiply this, so it will be 10101. Now here after decimal 1 2 digit, and here after decimal 1 2 digits. So 2 plus 2 4. That means we will have to put the decimal in such a way that we will get 4 digits. So 1 2 3 4. Here will be the decimal. So answer of the ninth part will be 1.0101. The last part we have 100.01 multiplied by 1.1. Okay, this 100.01 will become 10001 if you ignore the point, and 1.1 will become 11 if you ignore the point. So if you multiply this, 11 ones are 11, 1 carry. So it will be 1, 11 zeros are 0, 11 zeros are 0, 11 ones are 11. So we have 110011. Now we'll check the number of places after decimal. Here 1, 2, here 1, right? So that means here in the answer what we have got here after decimal will be 3 digit, because here we have got 2 and here we have got 1. So 2 plus 1 3. So 1 2 3. So point will be here. So answer of the last part is 110.011. So this was the last part of number 5. Thank you students.